What's up, everyone? In this video, I want to talk about a trade we took today inside Team Bull. This was a huge trade. We had a really good entry on this. I want to kind of give you my thought process, what I've seen. Then I want to talk about a couple more levels I had, but I did not personally trade them. And I want to talk about how I would have handled the trades if I had. But before we get started, be sure you're subscribed to my channel. Click that thumbs up button and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Okay, so the trade we took was right off the open. They are a little higher risk when you take trades off the open, as most of you know. I just like to point that out. But it was on the opening 5-minute candle here. And we took it around this 379 area. I did have a bit of an early entry on this, but that was the main area I was looking to add. Reason being, it's an area of confluence, it's a support, and it was a resistance pre-market. So we broke through it due to good data that we had pre-market. First off, I want to point out we did make this. Let me zoom in here so you can see. We did make this. As you can see here, we made this higher high and we made this lower low. So we entered this off of a lower low, right? We was in a clear uptrend pre-market. A lot of times, people don't pay attention to the pre-market. Within the hour of market open, I will take it into factor when looking for an entry. Just like you see here, higher high there. Risk to reward was there. That was a trade we took today. Contracts went over 100%. As you could well imagine, I was trading the 380 calls, tomorrow's expiration. Now, let's talk about a couple levels I had on my watch list, and those reject levels on SPY. First being this 381.5. If we go to the hourly time frame, let me show you what I see here. You can see we're in a downtrend on the hourly time frame. We have that trend line. I was looking to enter that off a lower high. That's how you take a downtrend for puts. You like to enter off the lower highs, and that's what I was trying to do there. I didn't take this personally because I made really good off that first trade, and it was really, really strong. But if you had taken this trade at 381.5, it rejected below this 380, 381 area. If I take a reject, if we're trending up and I take a reject against trend, it's always going to be a scalp. Keep in mind, a scalp is roughly 10% profit, somewhere in that area, sometimes less, sometimes a little more. Just keep that in mind when you're taking rejects, especially in the trend. Another level I had on my watch list, this one was actually on my watch list. This was something I seen after I posted, was this 383 area for a reject. I mean, this has been a strong resistance on SPY. Again, we had the same thing happen here. We come up, hit that 383, we reject. That would have been a scalp for me, and that's all I'm looking for when I take rejects in the trend. The ideal entry for a longer trade, possibly more gains, is catching something off a trend, uptrend, on a higher low. That's how, I prefer to trade. And if you're trading a downtrend, you want to catch it off a lower high. So if you have any questions about this, always feel free to reach out to me. I tried my best to provide you with quick, to the point videos, but appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.